another episode of Vlogging Adventures. How's everyone doing today? On today's adventure, we're at the Cox Arboretum Metro Park in Dayton, Ohio. But don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. Don't want to miss anything. All right. We're getting ready to walk into the visitor center here at the Arboretum Metro Park. Pretty nice out today. Just sit here and check it out. It's really nice in here. It's really nice out there, ain't it? You wanna be in the video? All right, I'm with my son today. He came up.
Yep, that's me.
That's it. All right, this is where we're at today. We're gonna take a look at this map right here. All right, let's go over and check out this first pond here. Yeah, some of these ponds got big turtles, and they got big like orange carp. Let's figure we get out here and do the video early because it's supposed to be really hot today. All right, I am at the Cox Metro Park doing a redo of my first video. I'll leave the link in the description box. You watch that video, then watch this one. The first video had zero stabilization. It was horrible, shaky and everything. But leave a comment, let me know what you think. Pretty nice, ain't it?
It is.
Did you tell her that you come here today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's awesome. I'm gonna go over here and get some footage of this real quick. All right, everyone, check this out. It's a pretty cool pond and a bridge. We'll walk across it here in a second. Hang on, check this out. Look at that big old snapping turtle right there. It's a big old snapping turtle right there, everyone. Can you see the fish near it?
See that one, huh?
Wow. There's a monster one down there. I don't know if you can see that in camera or not, but it's huge. That's pretty cool. All right. If you like these types of outdoor adventures, please consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell where you don't miss no outdoor adventures. And please leave a like. All right, let's see which way you want to go. We'll go left right now, I guess, because there's a bunch of people up there.
A lot of turtles.
Huh?
A lot of turtles.
Yeah. There's a bunch of big turtles in here.
Oh, look.
Huh? Yep.
Everywhere.
There's turtles everywhere. It's like how's the video look, everyone? How it look? Ooh. Pretty epic, ain't it? All right, let's get a shot of this, everyone. Check this out. Check out these lily pads down here. They got a little fountain down there. This is wild. If anyone gets a chance, please come up to the Cox Arboretum Metro Park, Dayton, Ohio. Bring your family. Fun for everyone. All right. All right, let's continue. But there's this big tree stair thing that you climb up. I think it's like 60 or 80 feet high. We're gonna climb up the stairs and get some epic video. Let's see. What's up? But I do want to appreciate everyone that subscribes and everyone that leaves likes. It's like a little rock bridge. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got here. It says they got like 50 different species of trees and plants here. All right. Little mini pond. How cool is that? They got all kinds of water and trees and plants around here. This is pretty exciting. All right, let's keep on walking to get to that tree tower. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, that. Oh, we're getting close to the tree tower. I can feel the anticipation in everyone. Huh? All those rows of trees is pretty cool. All right, let's go check this out. There's like a butterfly chair over here. Let's go check it out. That's pretty cool. All right, we made it to the infamous tree tower. Last time I was here, everything wasn't that green because it was still cool. But everything's starting to green up now. If you're just now joining, we're at the Cox Metro Arboretum Park in Dayton, Ohio. And this is a redo to my previous video because I was using my old camera. It didn't have no stabilization. So go back and I'll leave the link to that in the description box. You go watch that video, watch this video, and leave a comment and let me know what you think. All right, everyone ready? All right, everyone. Are you guys ready? Let's go. And there's not hardly any wind today. All right, we made it to the top, everyone. All right, we made it. Let's check out this epic stuff. All right, you all ready? Let's go. But we're way up here. How cool is that, everyone? Leave a comment, let me know. All right, everyone, how cool is that? Y'all see those epic views? Wasn't that so cool? All right, check that out. That is epic, y'all. All right, we're walking the big trail here. Hey, let's see what the sign says. I'm not sure. Please be aware, coyote den and surrounding areas. Oh no, Wish me luck. Not hot in the woods. That's a good thing. So you can go left, right now. So there's too many trails. We walk around for an hour. All right, that's cool. That'd be cool. Like walk under the thing. How you doing? All right, let's sneak under the bridge. All right, we're still walking in the woods. Hopefully we don't get lost, huh? I hope we're on the right trail. Not sure though. Yeah. Some kind of trail.
Take it somewhere.
Yeah, take us somewhere. Either take us home or take us to the coyote den, I guess. Lost in the wilderness. What is that?
Isn't that a point contact?
Oh, okay, yeah. This is the emergency access point. Should we go? Well, all right, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. We got to find our way back out of these woods. All right, everyone, we finally made it out of the woods. We went down a couple wrong ways, so we had to turn around and backtrack back up the hill. So right now, we're out here in the prairie, as you can see. We're on our way to the bird blind, it said. That's what the trailhead said. There's a big pond up there, so don't go nowhere. We'll be right there. Looks like there's a pond here. Oh, okay. There's all kinds of like birds you can like look for. That's awesome. Check that out. Man, a place to sit down. A wasp. Man. Snapping turtle or painted turtle? Can you tell the difference? Leave a comment. There's all kinds of stuff here. So, and I guess there won't be no birds. But that's pretty cool though. I'm gonna take a seat. All right, we're gonna sit down here and take a break for a minute. Don't go nowhere.
Snake.
Yeah. All right, we're almost to the end of the trail. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. If it's your first time watching it, please consider subscribing. And that takes you back out to the trees or whatever. I think we're lost again, folks. All right, everyone. We're alive and we made it out. That was a long journey, that's for sure. Well, we never saw the coyotes, so which is a good thing, I guess. There's the tree tower we was just in. The waterfall would be cool. If you like these vlogging adventures, please leave a like. It helps the channel out. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit that notification bell to where you don't miss no episodes. Because it is warm out here now. Whew. Hey, you can see the sun. Yeah, it's hot. And I wear a black shirt on when it's hot out here, so that's on me, I guess. we're about to end of the video. I do appreciate everyone watching. But finally made it out. And it is time to get something to drink. Nice cold bottle of water. All right, but check this out. We're back at the beginning where we started here. How full is that? It's a pretty big pond here. And it's really nice here.
Oh.
All right, I don't know if you all can see this from the video, but look how huge this snapping turtle is. That's a monster. That'd be epic if he jumped up, tried to grab the camera. That is huge. You see all the little fish. Hopefully you can see the fish without the, won't look too bad.
That's a monster.
All right. I don't know if y'all can see that in camera, but it is huge. There's one there. That's the biggest one. Here comes one coming up out of the water right there. Huge snapping turtles. Oh, here comes another one. Must be feeding time, I guess. Yeah. Don't ever stick your finger near a snapping turtle. All right, everyone. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and hit that like. All right, I'm gonna jump off, and we'll see you in the next one.